Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Coin shown in your image. 1907 Liberty Head $20 gold coin. Coin name: Liberty Head Double Eagle. Country: United States of America. Year of issue: 1907. Denomination: $20. Mint authority: United States Mint. Designer: James B. Longacre. Chief engraver of the U.S. Mint. Metal composition: gold 90%, copper 10%. Total weight: 33.436 grams. Actual gold weight: 0.9675 troy ounces of pure gold. Diameter: 34 millimeters. Edge: reeded. Obverse description: features a left-facing portrait of Lady Liberty. Liberty wears a coronet inscribed with the word Liberty. 13 stars surround the portrait, representing the original 13 American colonies. The date 1907 appears at the bottom. Reverse description: displays a heraldic eagle with outstretched wings. Eagle holds: olive branch, arrow's strength and defense. A shield is placed on the eagle's chest. Text around the edge: United States of America. $20. Motto "In God We Trust" appears above the eagle. Historical importance: the Liberty Head Double Eagle was produced from 1850 to 1907. The 1907 issue is special because it was the final year of the Liberty Head design. Later, in 1907, the design was replaced by the famous Saint-Gaudens Double Eagle. Mints and mint marks: 1907 coins were minted at Philadelphia, no mint mark. Denver D. San Francisco S. Mint mark appears above the $20 text on the reverse. Collector and market value: value depends on condition and mint mark. Average circulated: $2,000 to $2,500. Uncirculated: $3,000 to $10,000 plus. High-grade rare examples: much higher. Gold price strongly affects value. Why this coin is popular: high gold content. Last year Liberty Head design. Strong historical and investment value. Very popular with collectors and investors worldwide.